Congress is looking into a trading platform that's planning to list publicly and its apparent ties to China. Eamon Javers joins us right now with the latest installment of the Javers Files. Hi, Eamon.
Good morning, Becky. CNBC has exclusively obtained a letter from the House Select Committee on the Chinese Communist Party directed to the U.S. CEO of trading platform Webull Financial, criticizing the company's alleged close ownership ties and influence from the Chinese Communist Party. The letter, which is addressed to CEO Anthony Denier at a Wall Street office address, suggests the firm, which is a competitor to platforms like Robinhood, is hiding the ties from investors ahead of a potential $7.3 billion IPO by SPAC that it announced earlier this year. Letter says, while Webull has restructured to create the impression that it is no longer a PRC company, it appears to remain deeply intertwined with PRC entities, including Fumi Technology and Hunan Weibu, the committee wrote. The letter alleges that Webull's alleged ties to the Communist Party raise serious questions about the security of U.S. user data and about Webull's willingness and ability to comply with U.S. regulations regarding transparency and fair trading standards, and therefore about the risks Webull poses to the U.S. financial market. And it suggests that the company has taken steps to obfuscate its China connection, such as recently moving staff to Florida and a potential failure to notify the U.S. regulator FINRA about a material relationship with the Communist Party. Now, the committee, I'm told, has already reached out to U.S. regulators to talk about this deal as well. We'll reach out to Webull this morning to see if the company has any comment on all of this. Guys, back over to you.
Eamon, I take it there's probably not any reason to think that this investigation, the stance on this, would change with a new administration incoming.
Yeah, I think the new administration would be more likely to take a very hard look at something like this. The committee says they want answers to a whole raft of questions, including questions about whether investors' assets would be safe if the Chinese Communist Party takes any steps regarding those assets, and also information about where investor information is ending up, if any of that information is going to China. So, this is going to be something that the company's going to have to deal with. They've obviously taken some steps here to create some distance between themselves and the Chinese government. We'll see, in this new regulatory climate, where that lands.
How many customers does this company have?
That's a good question. It's a competitor to Robinhood in terms of a trading platform. I don't have the total customer number, though.